All right, what we're going to do tonight is we're going to do a sunset shot where most photographers will come out and they'll go for the lowest f-stop to get the depth of field. I don't really want depth of field. I want to catch the sky in the background. So we got our light, we got our subject, and we got our composition. We're going to do a rule of thirds, but we're going to do it a little bit different than what you've normally seen. So I'm going to take Denise and put her over here. Come over here, Denise. Come down on your knees about right here, facing that light. I normally would use the bare ball, but I am going for this light head tonight, so we will see what we've got. So we've got there you go, right there. That looks good. Coming in tighter. That looks good. I'll take the camera off the tripod here. Sometimes I don't like to use the tripod because it just gets in my way too much, so we're going to go right here and see how good we're keeping that nice pretty background back there. That looks good. Looks very good. So I'm going to come up here a little bit closer to her. Zoom out. Notice we're going to keep the turn sideways. There you go. Come down and rest your hands on your knees if you can get wet with the fight. There you go, right there. Looking right in the camera. Very good. And you can see how we're keeping that very pretty background in there. Good smile. Now, no smile, just glaring right through the camera. Right there, arch your back. A little bit of a smile. Okay, stand up for me. Okay, stand right there. Put your hands right on your waist. Hands right on your waist and feet apart and turning back toward me. Turn toward me. There you go. Right there. There we go. And see, we're still keeping that beautiful sky. We're not losing that sky. I'm going to go in a little bit closer. I'm going to keep coming in a little bit closer. There you go, right there. I'm going to turn around. Keep your head about right there. Let me switch to this side. There you go. Now we got a beautiful sky right here. And that looks amazing. We got some people in the background, so let's move to another spot. I've still got her in the rule of thirds, but it's a little different than probably what you normally see. I've got her off to the side a little bit. We're going to go full length right here. Hands on your waist for me. All right. Take your hands back up over your head. Very good. Very good. Cool. So what we did, guys, is we shot at 1/200th of a second at f7.1, where most photographers would have came out and wanted to shoot at 2.8. That's what that goes down to blur the background. But we didn't really want to blur the background. I wanted to catch the light that was still back there. So anyway, if we're helping you guys out, hit subscribe. Y'all have a good day.